So hey guys, so this is our unit model here in the Crestman. So we're gonna take a view of the 3BR, our beautiful 3BR. So this is the details and the specs of the 3BR. So living and dining is 23 square meters. Kitchen 8.6. Bedroom 1, the main bedroom, 12.2. Bedroom 2, 9.2. Bedroom 3, 6.6. Toilet and bath 1, 6. Toilet and bath 2, 4. Balcony 1, 10 square meters. Then balcony 2, 4.5. And a total of a floor area of 84.5. So let's now enter. So this is the kitchen area. I mean dining area and the living area. Makikita nyo, very spacious. And on this side, this is our kitchen area. So we can see here the provision for range hood, and we have a space for the stove. Meron na rin tayo ditong mga system cabinets and granite countertop. Kitchen granite countertop. And this one, we also have a space for the ref. So this is where the ref is located. And another system cabinet, granite countertop, kitchen faucet, and sink. So ayan yung mga tools sa turnover unit natin. So you won't have to worry for those things. Kasama na siya. Dito naman tayo sa living area. So meron din tayo provision for split type aircon. So since it's a newer property, split type aircon na yung mga provision natin dito. This is also the balcony 2. Tingnan lang natin ng saglit. Ayan. So, guys, ito yung view nyo kapag ditong side kayo, may unit. So yan, kitang-kita nyo yung Quezon City. Ayan. So that's the look here. So imagine, so if you wake up early in the morning, you can just relax here, have your coffee, or in the night, you can sip your wine here or beer or whatever liquor. Tapos relax ka lang. Yan. So very fresco, maganda city view. Yan, pwede ka rin dito, di ba? Relax ka lang dito. So, saya, di ba? So, dito naman tayo. So, dito naman, ito yung ano natin, toilet and bath. So, ito yung look niya. Ayan. So, included dyan is yung ito yung ano natin, bathroom sink and faucet. Tapos toilet bowl, exhaust, shower head, then soap bar. So that's what's included in our toilet and bath. Ito yung mga recommended design sa mga unit natin. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung ano yung ginamit dito, more on IKEA. So ito naman yung ano natin, the bedroom, the first bedroom. So may split type aircon din tayo dito. Tapos ito, ginawa siyang office space. So if you're a small family, yung bedroom 3 natin, pwede siyang office space lang. Or if you're a large family, gawin na lang natin siyang bedroom for the kids. So dito naman, this is the bedroom 2. Ayan. Another split type aircon. So meron na tayo niyan. Kita niya, very spacious. So si panganay siguro dito, no? Pakalaki syempre. Para sa mga ano natin to, mga first child. And lastly, bedroom 3. This is the main bedroom. So, if you're a family, dito yung mga parents. Ito yung look naman ng bathroom, toilet and bath. So, mas malaki siya compared dun sa toilet and bath 2. So, ito, same pa rin. Shower head, soap bar, tapos ito toilet bowl. Then, itong bathroom countertop, granite countertop, then faucet and sink. So that's what's included in our turnover for the bathroom. Lastly, ito yung very spacious balcony. Let's walk right in it. Ayan. So, ayan, makikita nyo, sobrang laki niya. Nasa 9 square meters dito yun. Nakikita nyo dyan yung edge sa... Makikita nyo rin yung ibang developments dito sa Quezon City. Ito din yung Centris. Ayan. So ito, papuntang na to sa UST, sa Welcome Rotonda. Very convenient din siya sa schools, sa mga CBDs, or working locations dito sa Quezon City. And yung transportation pauwi ng province.